On Jeep Creep, we're going to be looking at a ODB2 device, an Innova 1000. It has a lot of cool features, and it's just the device alone, and it works with your smartphone. Hello, Jeep Creepers. All right, on this episode of Jeep Creep, we're going to check out this ODB2 tool that I got, and we're going to see what's going on with the old Scion. All right, to hook up an ODB2 tool, it's just this little guy right here, and you're plugging it into your connector. And on my car, here's this handy little thing that pops out. Like so. And as you can see, this thing right here just plugs right into that, right there. All right, now that your connector's plugged in, let's go ahead and download the app from the App Store or the Android store. Next, you're going to want to pair the device after launching the app, and then pick the device that it finds in the pairing. The next step is to enter your VIN number, and it'll keep track of your vehicles, which is pretty nice. You can scan using the camera your VIN barcode that's on your door panel. I think that's the easiest way to do it. All right, now it shows me my air code, and not only that, it gives you a description of what can happen, the severity of the air code, also common fixes, and not only that, it has an Amazon link to buy the part. I mean, this is pretty cool and kind of a one-stop shop tool. On top of resetting codes, this thing has a really cool live feature where you can actually do live monitoring of your car's systems. So not only can you view your live systems, you can also record and play back any footage that you record in the app to watch, if there was something weird that popped up like an anomaly. A really cool feature that I liked was when you're doing the live replays, you can also put it on a graph and watch graph correlations between a couple different sensors that you're reading. So if you wanted to watch like RPMs versus coolant, startup, you could see all these things in real time, which is really neat. Originally, I had an Innova 5410, and I liked it a lot. I just found the buttons a little bit slow to click on versus the actual, using of your cell phone is a lot faster. And I just feel like it's cleaner with the internet interface, and it's just a better display. And not to mention, it's significantly cheaper. It's like half the cost for the Innova 1000 versus the 5410. So I highly recommend this product, and yeah, I would definitely get this one today. I'm not sure if professional mechanics would feel the same about the differences between the higher level ones, because I know they have like higher model ones that have bi-directional communications, but man, I don't know. Like I'm not really into programming computers and stuff like that on cars, but I think this pretty much nails like 95% of anybody would ever need for. So grab yours today. As always, the link's in the description if you're interested in getting it from me. Till next time, guys, Jeep Creep out.